Well, that explains where I'm at if you haven't guessed. Eric with Deutsche Auto Garage. We're here today at the Maryland Speedway with Audi Club of Potomac and Chesapeake. And so this is an event that they're hosting here at this strip. And so a bunch of fast cars have showed up, some local ones, some from the Audi Club, of course. Other cars are here as well. It's a little different than what we normally do, but I grew up on the drag strip. I love the drag strip, and so I can't wait to show you what happens.
Racing through the night, high on the rush, chasing city lights, lights can't control, feel the flame, boosted machine. Circuit veins, electric rain, voltage sinks through the fuel and frame, shifting gear.
All right, so everybody showed up. Everybody's getting staged. It's still early on in the morning. As you can tell, there are a lot of people here, including RS7. It's not running today. We're gonna put the JHM clutch pack in next, so it'll run next time. But for today, these are the people that have showed up out in glory. There's already people in the staging lanes and the track's running, so we're gonna go over there and get some footage. Oh my God, listen how sticky it is. Yes. I hope y'all can hear it. Oh my God. Yeah, take the tires off. Got the shift down that time. Boy, she is scooting. I said the same thing to him. I was like, it's pretty sticky. Oh, shit. The bed just flew off. There we go. delicious. Smells like success. Just remember, Tim, if a car comes this way, this is our safest object to hide behind. There.
I'm gonna hide behind you.
That's fair. I'm skinny. There's no chance of me stopping a car. Problems there. That's all right. It happens.
No spaces, no dashes.
Quite simplistic. Car photos by Tim, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the BMW. Breaking up. She broke up. Nope. Get out of it. Hey. Get into it.
20 mile an hour and 40 mile an hour.
He lifted. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a beast. The whole front bumper flexes when he lifts because of the pressure coming out of the, I'm assuming a Pro Charger. Look at the wrinkles in the back of the tires already. Woo! GreasyWrenchClothing.com. It's not a hobby, it's a lifestyle. I'm not sure which one. Getting it. He's having issues engaging launch control. Bobby would be so proud right now. And so would Steve. You don't know who those people are, but they love hatches. I knew it was coming. I can hear it off the launch. Oh man, what a redemption. No pressure, just two cameras watching you. So this is the prep here today at the Maryland International Raceway. And the prep, as you can tell, amazing. You're gonna lose a shoe if you walk on that bad boy. Ah, you almost got it. Pulled out of it.
Racing through the night, high on the rush.
We pave. What do you think they do, Tim?
Roofing.
Oh, your shoes. Never have I been to a drag strip where it has been so quiet. It is early in the morning and I think we're all halfway awake. And that's cool. It's a Friday. I took off for this. He said, no, your car farted. You gotta back up. I don't know when I said that. That is what happens when we try to engage launch control and do not get it. We try our best. It's not perfect. There it goes.
Every bill's a poke, every rev's a spark, every mark we make.